Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to download and install Python on the Windows machine. So for downloading, just go to your browser and in your search box type Python. So it will lead to a number of results. So in there first is welcome to python.org. Click on it. So by clicking it, it will open the home page for the python.org site. There you can see a download tab in which when you click on the Python 3.9.1, it will automatically download the suitable version. That is, it will automatically check that is your system is Windows or Mac OS or Linux, etc., and it will download the appropriate version. But this Python 3.9.1 version is not suitable, or it doesn't work on Windows 7 or earlier. So in case you are using the Windows 7 operating system, you have to click on this Windows button or Windows tab. There you can see a list of lesser version or earlier versions. So you have to choose the Windows installer for 32-bit operating system, and again there is Windows installer for the 64-bit operating system. So in case you doesn't know the operating system, that is which is your operating system, it is 32-bit or 64-bit, just right click on your my computer or this PC and you will know your system type. This is 64-bit operating system. So when you know which is your operating system, you can download the installer. So my operating system now I am using Windows 10, so I can directly download from here, or which persons are using Windows 10, they also can directly download from this button. So when you click on the Python, it will start the downloading the exe file. So it will take some time depending on your internet connection or internet speed. So as the download completes, just open it or go to your download folder. So by opening it, it will run the installer for the Python 3.9.1. So at this stage there is one important step, that is when you start installation. So before installation, please check this add Python 3.9 to path. So this is the most important step, because if you forget to check this checkbox, it can give you errors while running or compiling the Python programs. So after checking it, click on install now. So this will start the installation process for Python. Again, it will take some time depending on your hardware, that is your RAM and processor. So after installation, we have to check if the Python is installed successfully or not. So I will show you the process for checking also. So here the installation is going on. So basically this higher versions of Python installs number of libraries which are required. So after completing the installation setup process, click on close, then start your command prompt, and when the windows of command prompt opens, type there Python, that is Python, press enter. So if your Python is installed correctly, it will show the Python and which version it has installed, that is Python 3.9.1 or whichever version you have installed. So guys, now we have installed Python on our Windows system successfully. Thank you for watching the video.